In this tutorial, we will see how to find the correlation coefficient, intercept, and slope using Excel formulas. Of course, we could build formulas in Excel to replicate the manual calculations we saw in that tutorial. However, that is not necessary, as Excel has the required formulas built in. The slide shows the first set of forecasting data we have been using entered into Excel. The period numbers are in cells A2 to A11, and the actual demand numbers are in cells B2 to B11. The three built-in functions we will be using are 1. Correl, and no, I do not know why they did not spell out correlate for the function name. 2. Intercept. 3. Slope. All three functions follow the same pattern. The function name then, in parentheses, the y range, a comma, and then the x range. Technically, the Correl function can take the ranges in either order. However, it is best to use this order since the intercept and slope functions require it. The screen shows an Excel worksheet being used to find the correlation coefficient, intercept, and slope. Both results and the way the formulas are set up is shown. Pause the video and examine it in detail if you have any questions. The screen shows the second set of data in an Excel worksheet. This is the data used for the trend-adjusted exponential smoothing bonus examples. Use Excel to find the correlation coefficient, intercept, and slope. Since you've seen an example already, let me suggest that you pause the video and try to work this problem on your own. Once you're done, you can use the video to check your work and spot any mistakes you might have made. This slide shows an Excel worksheet being used to find the correlation coefficient, intercept, and slope. Both the results and the way the functions are set up is shown. Pause the video and examine it in detail if you have any questions. If you found that this video helped you with your operations management problem, please consider liking the video and even subscribing to the channel.